Hey, beautiful babes, welcome back to the channel. Your girl, Sweet Angel here. Listen, today, y'all, I want to share with you 10 ways that I use argan oil. You know, I use it all the time, but it's just one of those oils that I fail to mention most of the time. But today we're going to talk into 10 amazing ways that you can use argan oil to benefit you, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, make sure you let me know by dropping a like on the video and putting me some hearts down in the comment section. Let's talk about it right now. So beautiful babes, argan oil is an amazing oil. This is literally what you can call the miracle oil. Now I'm going to share my top 10 ways to use argan oil, and just for the record, I have normal to dry skin, but even if you have oily skin, argan oil can still be your friend. Now listen, the brand I love, and y'all know you may see these oils all the time on my channel, is SVA Organics. I'll have the link below for you. It is my Amazon affiliate link. I hope you don't mind that, and I hope you don't mind supporting this channel. This SVA Organics argan oil is cold pressed. Now let's get into the great ways, 10 great ways to use argan oil. Number one, and the most prominent on the list, is to moisturize your skin. Argan oil is a natural source of omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E that you need to have beautiful glowing skin. Argan oil works as a great moisturizer for your skin. It protects your skin from sun damage also. Now I can also tell you that you don't have to use it all by itself to moisturize. Hey, put it into your favorite moisturizer or your favorite lotion. Works just as well, just by adding a few drops of it to your moisturizer. You can also drop it in your favorite serums as well. And speaking of that, number two, anti-aging and anti-wrinkle beauty secret. That's what argan oil is. It softens the skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Just use this twice a day and you'll be amazed by how they diminish. And again, since it's your beauty secret, drop it in your moisturizers, your serums, and you can see the results as well. Twice a day, that's all you need. If you're dealing with skin infections, number three is just that. Argan oil helps to treat skin infections. The anti-inflammatory compounds in argan oil benefits skin tissues. Just apply argan oil to the affected area topically at least twice a day. Number four is skin rashes. Argan oil is beneficial in wound healing and tissue repair. Just apply it to the rash or irritation and let it do its magic. Make sure you apply it liberally and also regularly, at least 2 times a day. Number five, argan oil has been known to help with stretch marks. Argan oil is frequently used to prevent and reduce stretch marks. Argan oil can help reduce inflammation and improve the skin's elasticity. Number six, if you have uneven skin tone, this oil is able to help uneven skin tone like scars and sunspots and brighten your skin, even using it on acne scars as well. And we're going to talk about acne in just a moment. Number seven, y'all know I'm always trying to find wonderful things for the hair, and believe it or not, I failed to mention argan oil is just that, for hair growth and hair strengthening. It promotes hair growth and makes your hair look shiny and gives it strength. Number eight, the other thing that is so forgotten about what argan oil can do for pre and post shaving. It is a great pre and post shave oil because it lessens the risk of razor burn and helps to heal any small cuts. It also helps to make your skin feel silky smooth. Argan oil also softens new hair follicles, and that's going to help prevent razor bumps for sure. Number nine, talked about acne just a little bit, but argan oil helps to treat acne. It is very effective for treating acne. It can help reduce redness and soothe irritation caused by acne, and also help to reduce acne scars. And number 10, it helps to reduce oiliness. Check this out. Now, the biggest part of my oiliness come around my nose area. Now, some of us have naturally oilier skin than others. Now, those who do often go out of their way to get rid of the oily sheen that can occur. Thanks to argan oil's sebum reducing capabilities, it can help decrease total sebum and reduce oiliness of the skin. And there you are, 10 amazing ways to use argan oil. It's best to use it daily, 1 to 2 times a day, preferably at least 2. And I mentioned earlier, my favorite that I'm using is SVA Organics argan oil, 100% pure and natural. I trust their oils. I've been using them for a long time. Argan oil can help, again, with a multitude of things: for shining hair, shiny beard, your face, dry skin, body care, as a moisturizer, acne treatment, skin irritation, so much. And I'm sure there are tons and tons of other ways to use argan oil. Please let everybody know what you use argan oil for right in the comment section. I do appreciate you, beautiful babes. Yes, 10 amazing ways to use argan oil. Absolutely amazing. Y'all, thanks so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the video, but most importantly, I hope you got something out of it today. Please make sure you tell a friend about the channel and send them over this way. You don't want to be looking cute all by yourself, do you? That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful babes, like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, tell somebody where you're hanging out. Share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next video, which is right over there. Bye.